5th and Miami Beach is a neighborhood located on the southern tip of Miami Beach that begins at South Point Park and ends at 5th Street, which is home to some of the most expensive luxury condo towers in all of Miami, including the Continuum South Beach, Apogee South Beach, and Murano Grand, among others. Until the early 2000s, this part of South Beach was a no man's land, with only Joe's Stone Crab drawing people in. Prime Italian is an upscale Italian steakhouse restaurant owned by the same restaurant group which operates Prime 112 directly across the street. It's located in the Hilton Bentley Miami Beachfront Hotel. The Browns Hotel is said to be Miami Beach's first hotel, built in 1915, with a Western Trading Post pine exterior. Most of the building is now devoted to Prime 112, an upscale steakhouse with a wide selection of steaks and special steak sauces and toppings.
This is the fish that it's supposed to cover the never happened to me.
I know.
She just big the side.
Joe's Stone Crab was founded in 1913 when Joe Weiss opened up a small lunch counter on Miami Beach serving a top-notch fish sandwich and fries. Joe and his wife Jenny then bought a bungalow near the beach, moved into the back, and set up 7 or 8 tables on the front porch, cooked in the kitchen, and called it Joe's. They served snapper, pompano, and mackerel sandwiches and some other meat dishes. Al Capone was a daily customer at Joe's restaurant and used the name Al Brown when dining there. Joe's did not serve stone crabs when they first opened, as no one even knew the local crustacean was even edible. In 1921, a Harvard ichthyologist came to Joe's for lunch and brought with him a burlap sack full of live stone crabs and asked Joe how to cook them. Joe ended up throwing them into some boiling water, and that was the beginning of the legacy for the restaurant. Joe started serving the stone crabs chilled and cracked with hash brown potatoes, coleslaw, and mayonnaise, and they were an instant success. They charged 75 cents for 4 or 5 crabs, 25 cents for potatoes, and 25 cents for an order of coleslaw. They really hit the jackpot. Joe's Stone Crab does not accept reservations for a table, so if you want to avoid the usual 1 to 2 hour wait, You can head next door to Joe's Takeaway, which evolved from a back door at the kitchen for those wanting some stone crab claws and sides in 1987 to its present space featuring a bar area and tables. The takeaway menu includes all the Joe's signature items at the same prices, including stone crabs, hash browns, coleslaw, fish and crab cake sandwiches, as well as entrees and salads. Joe's also ships their stone crabs uncracked with or without a mallet and cracking board. Claws that have not been cracked will last up to 48 hours in your refrigerator, but when you have them shipped, it's recommended to eat them no later than the day after you receive them. Crack the claws open an hour at most before you plan to serve them. There is an art to cracking a stone crab. It's the same as cracking an egg, according to the late Dick McDaniel, who presided over the stone crab station at Joe's for many years. Mr. McDaniel said, "You want to crack the shell so you can pull it apart and take the meat out. You don't want to splinter it and drive the pieces into the meat. You want to hit not hard, but not too lightly." Joe's stone crabs goes through hundreds of mallets each season. The cracked claws are arranged on oval platters piled into a pyramid shape with all the black tips lined up. Extra good. Florida stone crabs are found only in the warm waters off the Gulf of Mexico. Only one claw is harvested from the stone crab. The crab is then thrown back into the water. In addition to their amazing stone crabs, we also usually order from their takeaway menu their grilled mahi-mahi sandwich, which is served with lettuce, tomato, and onion on a grilled bun with French fries for $19.90. It's extra good. More than a ton a day of stone crabs are served at Joe's Stone Crab during the Florida stone crab season, which runs from October 15th to May 1st. This amounts to 15,000 pounds a week at Joe's Stone Crab. Hey guys, we got back from Joe's Stone Crab of Miami Beach. Not only did we get their stone crabs, that's what it looks like, the crab claw, but they make an amazing key lime pie. They're known for that besides their stone crabs. I got their recipe. I'm gonna try it at home. It's really simple. First, you gotta make the crust. I already did it, but I'm gonna show you. I didn't cook it yet, but this is all you gotta do, is you gotta get a sleeve of graham crackers, and you crush it up. You know, like just bang it. That's all I did. I banged it with a rolling pin. And then 5 tablespoons of butter, melt it, throw it in with the crushed graham cracker crust, and sugar, one third cup of sugar, and that's all you need to make the crust. So the crust has to go in the oven for, I think it's like 7 minutes, 350 degrees, and then that's it. We'll go to the next step after I do that. Oh God, oh no, Hudson, this isn't ready yet. Guys, this is what the crust looks like. It's just a simple graham cracker crust. And it goes only in the oven for 6 minutes, not 7 like I originally thought. So we're gonna put it in there now, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Extra good. So for the filling for your key lime pie, you gotta get 3 egg yolks. So I already cracked this one open. You put this in the blender. Let me show you. You gotta get your whisk attachment. 3 egg yolks, there's just the one in there now. And then you need your limes. I got these limes from Senor Pena, and he has an amazing fruit stand right out of a truck in Hialeah, and he gets fresh fruit every day. So these aren't key limes, these are regular limes, so I just made the substitution because we wanted to support Senor Pena. And these are bigger, than a key lime. So all we need is the zest of 2 limes. I don't have a grater, so what I did is just kind of use the knife, and I got the zest off that way, and then I just chopped it up. You need 1.5 teaspoons of zest.
Perfect. Good.
That's it, done. So this is the 3rd egg yolk. In it goes. I already got the zest in there, and now it goes on high for approximately 5 minutes. it needs to be on high until it gets like fluffy. So we'll check on it. So while the egg yolks and zest are fluffing up inside the mixer, we're gonna start the next step, which is getting the lime juice. So again, I don't have like a professional juicer, so I'm just gonna do it the old school way, and I'm just gonna squeeze the lime through here, strain it, and we need 2/3 a cup of lime juice, which is about 5 limes. So I'm gonna get my workout in. And in the meantime, I have the oven warming up to 350 so we can put the crust in. Okay, oven's ready. The crust going in, guys. Going in. Timer set. Okay, so next step. This has gone nice and fluffy. I even went longer than they've been their time. So now we're pouring in the sweetened leche condensada azucarada. Sweetened condensed milk. I think I probably said that totally wrong. Leche condensada azucarada. That's it, azucarada. Sweetened condensed milk. Just on this can, which is net weight 14 ounce can. Gradually add it on low speed. So I added all the condensed milk. It's got to go back up to the high speed, and it's got to mix for like another 3 to 4 minutes. So let's let it go. Okay guys, timer just rang. Let's get the crust out of the oven. Golden brown, just like it should be. We're gonna set it aside. Let it cool a little bit. Let me get the timer off. And now, this is ready for the next step. I got 5 limes. A little messy. 2/3 cup. And that's gonna pour in. I'm gonna lower the speed first. Pour in the lime juice. That's it. And let it mix for like a couple of seconds, because you don't want it to go too much, just until it's well mixed. And then we're gonna pour it into the crust. Oh, looks great. Gonna just tap this just to get any excess off of there. Perfect. I'm gonna show you guys. There it is, all nice and mixed. You can see all the little zest of the limes. So let's pour it into our crust. Here we go. Going in. Wow. Look at that. We're getting every last drop of the filling. Okay, so I got the filling in there. I'm gonna just, I can't really tilt it for you, but you can see. And now it's going in the oven for 10 minutes, 350 degrees, which is the same temperature that we cooked the crust. Okay, timer's up. Ready for it to come out of the oven. Oh my God, it looks amazing, guys. Let me just close the oven. Wow, let me show you. Look at that. And you can see a little zest too. So we gotta let it cool. And I wanna show you guys, whoops. I wanna show you guys one thing. A Joe's Takeaway, to get a key lime pie, just a slice, is $10.95. And a whole key lime, 9 inches, is $27.95. And, hold on. I don't even know how big this one is, so I got a measuring. Mine is 10 inches. So I made even a bigger pie, and I can tell you, all those limes, and I got more than 5 limes from the Senor Pena. $3 for the limes, $2.50 for the sweetened condensed milk, and then, I mean, the sugar I had already, and, you know, 3 eggs. So really, and the graham crackers, of course, so just like one little thing of graham crackers. All in all, it's much less expensive to make your own key lime pie, plus it's fun. And yeah, extra good, guys. Key lime pie was declared by the Florida legislature to be the official pie of the state of Florida. We love Joe's stone crab. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it so YouTube can recommend it to others. We're trying to grow to reach 10K subscribers so we can add Hudson merchandise to our channel. Also, if you want to take it a step further, you can send us a one-time donation through PayPal or join our Patreon page where you get bonus content including access to exclusive videos, behind-the-scenes photos, and live stream chats only for patrons. Thanks guys for watching.
Bye guys.
And be safe.